This is one of the fastest vaccine development launches in history, not even close. We're also racing to develop antiviral therapies and other treatments, and we've had some promising results, early results, but promising.
Everybody's feeling so helpless right now, and I realized that there was something that I could do to help, and I'm excited to be here. I was the first. It's unbelievable. I'm really excited about that. It was easy. It was just like a flu shot, or I had a flu shot a couple months ago. It was very similar to that process. It didn't hurt. I was very happy about that. I hope that we get to a working vaccine quickly, and that we can save lives, and that people can go back to life as soon as possible.
Every parent wants their children to look up to them, and giving them something worthwhile, in my opinion, for them to look up to is important. I think it helps really showcase to them that when they're old enough to make a difference in the world, no matter how large or small it is, it's important for them to step up and do that as well.
It's not really about just me and you, it's about how this will affect the population as a whole. So I'm kind of trying to do my part and just stay home and keep my head down and not be out in public in large gatherings. I really, really hope that it works and it's able to be used publicly and widely available for everyone. There's obviously a certain amount of nerves associated with it, as any experimental trial is going to be. I hope it.
Snow Music Studio. Snow Music Studio.